Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the reason how you set up Steam Remote Play. In order to remote play on Steam, first of all, ensure that your device is connected to internet service. In order to enable it, first of all, you'll have to log in. So once you're logged into your Steam account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. So once you're on this page, on Steam from the top inside corner, and as soon as you click on Steam, you'll be able to see output menu. So from the list, click on Settings, and when you tap on Settings, it's gonna take you to this page. Over here you can see in the left hand side bar there are multiple options, so scroll down a bit, go to Remote Play. After you tapped on Remote Play, first of all you need to enable Remote Play, so just toggle the button located right on top, and also make sure to enable Advanced Play. So for that you need to go to Enable Advanced or Host option. Just toggle the switch for it, and after that you'll be able to see all sorts of information. So you can also toggle the switch according to it. Close the tab, and now in order to play Steam on your mobile or on your Android or iOS, what you'll have to do is you'll have to install the application first of all. So for that, head over to your respective app store. So you'll need to install this application, that is Steam Link. So click on the install button, wait for the application to be installed. Once you're done installing the application, click on the open button. Now it's gonna go slanting, so make sure to slant your phone. Click on the get started button. Make sure that your computer as well as your mobile phone is running on the same network, and if you see the device, then tap on the device, and here you'll need to enter in the code that is right over here. Now you need to enter in the code that has been showed on your device's screen. So after you're done entering the code, here you can see there is the testing connection. Now this is gonna take a while, so just wait for it and click on the OK button. Now click on start playing, and once again it's gonna check the connection. After that you can start playing your game, and that's basically how you can remote play on Steam. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.